Triumph Motorcycles has revealed the 2025 Trident 660 Triple Tribute, a bold new iteration inspired by the iconic Slippery Sam, the 5-time Isle of Man TT winning motorcycle. Combining a striking visual overhaul with proven performance and advanced rider tech, this special edition continues the legacy of last year's popular Triple Tribute release. At its core, the 2025 model retains the same reliable platform as the standard Trident 660, including its dynamic 660cc inline 3-cylinder engine, delivering 80 brake horsepower at 10,250 RPM and 64 Nm of torque at 6,250 RPM. While the mechanical package remains unchanged, the most noticeable updates are visual. The 2025 edition features a striking sapphire black paint scheme, enhanced with vibrant cobalt blue and Diablo red graphics across the tank, tail, and front bodywork. A large 67 race number on the tank pays tribute to the Trident's racing heritage, while red wheels and additional bodywork components, including a color-matched fly screen and belly pan, come fitted as standard. In terms of tech, the bike is well equipped for both spirited and everyday riding. Riders can choose from 3 ride modes: rain, road, and sport, which adjust throttle response and traction control to suit conditions. Optimized cornering ABS and switchable traction control further boost confidence and safety. Also included is Triumph Shift Assist for seamless clutchless gear changes in both directions, and a Bluetooth module that supports the My Triumph connectivity system, offering smartphone integration and navigation features. The 2025 Triumph Trident 660 Triple Tribute Edition merges classic racing DNA with modern performance and rider-focused innovation.